Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy barbecue baked beans in the crock pot? Just like this? You would? Good, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that.
Lisa D Delight.
First, we're going to add the beans to the crock pot. I love bush beans. The hickory brown sugar is really good. I also added a little bit of bacon. And next, we're going to add some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and some brown sugar. The ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Next, we're going to add in some maple syrup. Some people use molasses, but I happen to like maple syrup. Also add some honey mustard, some onions, and some liquid smoke. Don't skip the liquid smoke. That gives it that nice smoky flavor. You'll have people swearing you done smoked these beans on the grill, child. But just add a few drops, don't overdo it. Stir it all up, and then you can either cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours or on low for 3 to 4 hours. And once it's done, it'll look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
Yes, God. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These beans were fire, y'all. You have to try the recipe. I added some colorful bell peppers on top for garnish. So easy, quick, and delicious. These here beans are so pretty. Let me shut up and let the beans shine. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. Bye.
To Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning all the wood, so rumbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these pieces.